Right. Right, guys and girls, welcome back. So I've got my little helmet camera on. It's gonna do some cycling. Do a bit of cycling on this concrete. Right. Try and tighten up the head helmet. Got the Liverpool bicycle helmet with the GPS thing on it, audio. So basically you put your phone on the tracking system tractor from your phone, and then it just tells you your mileage, how fast you're going, when you're going and all that. Absolutely most comfortable ride that I've actually been on. This is the Carrera bicycle e-bike. Yeah, the Carrera e-bike, electric bike. So I've got this on high at the moment. Just gonna do some steps in the or stretches I should say, in the field. Is that cows down there, or is that just people walking down there? I'm recording in 4K as well, so the footage will be clear. It's in sort of like 60 frames per second, so you're going to get it nice and smooth. Unfortunately you won't be, I don't know if you can see my bicycle in front, but because with my helmet and stuff like on top and the camera being on top. Right. Nice absolute stretch of an area, plenty of room just to walk around. No cows today in here. Oh, they've actually cut all that down now. Well, the grass was quite up high the other day, now it's all down. Hey, that's nice clear area. I should be actually recording in ultra wide as well, I think. I'm not too sure, but it should have a good decent stabilizer on it. Yeah, it's got a good decent stabilizer on it. Unless it's been turned off, I'm gonna have to check when I get back. But look, all those nice cleaned up fields where it's all been cut down now. Back in a minute, guys and girls.